Hello students, welcome back to Integers Exercise Questions. Integers Exercise Questions. Exercise 1.1. Dear students, already you have seen some few questions about the different signs. For example, few questions I will take. Before going to the exercise, some other questions I will take and we will simplify. Okay, now 5 as it is, minus of minus 5, minus of minus, it becomes plus. I said in the last class, this symbol means this bracket says it is a multiplication between these two signs. Okay, now write the 4 as it is. Okay, now this into this, plus into minus, minus 7. See, always one step you have to do. Don't go for the direct subtraction or addition. You will go wrong. So next step, first simplify the sign. Afterwards, go for the addition or subtraction one by one. Now first these two you do. 5 plus 4, how much? 9. As it is, you write here. Now 9 minus 7 is 2. Then you will not go wrong. See, this is the answer. Okay, one more question I will take. 12 minus 6 minus of minus 7 plus of minus 2. Now 12 minus 6, it is direct. There is no bracket or nothing. So you can do it directly. 12 minus 6 is 6 itself. Minus minus, it is plus 7. Plus into minus, minus 2. See, where there is a bracket, you have to simplify the signs first. Then you have to go for the addition or subtraction. 6 plus 7, it is 13. 13 minus 2, it is 11. I think you understood. It's easy, but to take care of the signs and do. Slowly you have to do. Next, few questions I will take from the notes. Exercise questions. Okay. Here in the exercise they are given, verify. One condition is given, a minus of minus b is equal to a plus b. Yes, we know. Minus minus becomes plus. A plus b. It's correct. Next, what they have done means they have given the values for a and b. A is 21, B is 18. Now what we have to do? We have to substitute the A and B values for the left hand side and right hand side of the given question, and we have to say these two are equal. Okay, now first I will take a left hand side. What is there in the left hand side? In the left hand side, A minus of minus B is there, isn't it? Left side, this is the right side. Okay, now first I will substitute for this. A means 21, sign will not get changed. B is 18. Now 21 minus minus, it is plus 18. How much? 18 plus 21 means 39. Is it correct? Yes. Now I will go for the right hand side. It's easy. What is the right hand side question? A plus B. So A is what? 21. B is what? 18. Once again it is 31. What it says? Therefore we are saying left hand side LHS is equal to right hand side RHS. Understood? Or you can write this itself once again. A plus B. It is correct. So given one, it is correct. They asked us to verify. Yes, it's true. So one more question you take. I'll take one more question. Okay, I will take A equal to 118. Then B equal to 125. Little big question I have taken. The condition is same. Once again I will take LHS. a minus of minus b. So 118, sorry, minus of minus 125. Okay, 118 minus minus is plus 125. What's the answer we are getting? 5 plus 8 is 13. 2 2s are 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. Yeah. Next I'll go for the RHS. Right hand side. Right hand side is a plus b. A plus b is 118 plus 2 125, that is 243. Once again you see this and this are same, therefore LHS is equal to RHS. So it's true. Okay, I think you understood this one, very easy. Next. Okay dear students, now we will see the problems using smaller, greater and with the equal sign. Means they will give few questions for us. We have to solve and we have to say are they greater, are they smaller, or they are equal. Okay, I will take two simple questions. It's easy, but you must have some patience to solve the problem. That's all. Urgent and not possible here. Think and do. Discuss in your mind. You must speak in your mind. Plus, minus, like that. Speak and say yourself. It's wrong or right, nothing will problem happens, but you must speak and study. That's good always. Discussing in the mind and study is very good. Okay, dear students, now shall we start? Minus 8 plus into minus minus. This box as it is you keep. Don't write anything. Now don't write plus, greater, smaller, anything. Leave. Minus 8 minus minus plus. Okay. So, both are minus. I said in the last class, you recall your memory once. Both are minus, we have to add the number. So which sign we have to put? We have to put the bigger number sign. Minus. It contains minus here. Don't see this side. Here. Okay. Here. 1 plus 1 minus, we have to go for the subtraction. So 8 minus 4, 4. Greater 1, once again it is contains minus sign. So both are minus. When both the numbers are negative, smaller number is a greater one. That you know, I think, if I am writing number line, always see 0, 1, 2. We are moving to the right side is a greater number, correct? We are moving to the right side is a greater number. So if I would have taken here minus 1, here minus 2, here minus 3, like this only it will go, isn't it? So we have to move like this. So which one comes first? First coming is a minus 12. So automatically it is smaller than minus 4 because minus 4 coming in right side. So always remember, in the positive, you know, both the numbers are positive means you know greater number is a greater one. But both the numbers are negative, smaller number is a greater one. That you must know. I think you know already. Just I revised, that's all. Okay, next one more problem I will solve. Okay. Here minus 3 plus 7 minus of 19, your box 15 minus 8 plus into minus 9. Okay. Right. Now here it is simple. So 1 plus 1 minus, don't go for together everything, okay? 1 by 1 you solve. Two numbers you take together. Minus 3 plus 7. 1 plus 1 minus. Subtraction. We have to do. Greater 1 is plus, so it is plus. Plus into nothing is there. Nothing is there means that is plus itself. Minus into plus minus. Okay. Here two numbers you take. 15 minus 8. It is 7. Plus into minus. Minus 9. Here 7, but 15 is positive, so it is positive. Okay. Here 1 plus 1 minus, again we have to go for the subtraction. 19 minus 4 is 15. Which is greater? Greater 1 is 19. Here subtraction. 1 plus 1 minus, greater 1 is 9. Is it? So I said once already, in both are negative, smaller number is a greater one. Understood? Yes. These are the problems. It's very easy. I think you understood. And study well. Daily you have to study, solve and study the problems in the home. Okay? Okay. If you like my videos, please give me a like and please subscribe the channel, because you will get my all the videos very easily, always, not only today or tomorrow, always, anytime you will get. So thank you, dear students.